A stuck air suspension on your Cadillac Escalade leaves the rear end jacked up and riding like a brick. The fastest emergency fix is pulling the 30-amp ALC compressor fuse under the hood for 10 minutes to reset the suspension module, followed by checking the rear ride height sensor links. The automatic level control system often glitches and commands the air compressor to run continuously until the shocks are completely maxed out. Disconnecting the battery or pulling that specific 30-amp fuse forces the system to power down completely. This clears any temporary software hang-ups in the electronic suspension control module. You just locate the fuse box near the driver's side fender, find the ALC or RTD fuse on the diagram, and pull it out. If a module reset does not drop the rear end, the mechanical ride height sensors are the next culprit. These small plastic arms connect the vehicle frame to the rear control arms. Mud, ice, or debris can jam these sensor rods, tricking the computer into thinking the vehicle is heavily loaded. A quick spray with penetrating oil and moving the arms manually will often restore normal operation. Make sure both rods are physically attached and not hanging loose. For a suspension that refuses to drop after checking the electronics and sensors, you can manually bleed the air pressure. The air compressor is located under the vehicle behind the rear bumper on the passenger side. You can carefully loosen the main air line fitting on the dryer block, using a wrench just enough to let the pressurized air hiss out. Once the vehicle settles to a normal height, tighten the fitting back up so you can drive home safely.